Hello guys, my name is Anurag Idlavatkar and today we are going to see one of the important library of Python, that is Matplotlib. Matplotlib is data visualization library which is used for drawing different kind of plots, different kind of graphs in that, and to visualize the data in a better way. So this is one of the important library in Python, and based on this particular library, lot many different libraries are defined later in Python. So let us understand what is Matplotlib library. So very first thing is you will find little bit theory about it in this document, and I will upload this with my video, so you will find the GitHub link of that. So very first thing is you have to import the library. So I am importing the library, that is matplotlib.pyplot, and its alias name as plt. So right here we are taking NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib as the lib as library, and doing the this one, drawing different kind of plots. Now very first one is my plot with respect to line 1. So line plot, how it will be? So x is equal to np dot line space, and I'm giving the value 0 comma 10 comma 100, and the next one is y is equal to np dot sign. Okay, np dot sign, and passing the value of x to it. Now I will draw this particular thing. So plt dot figure, and as this is a function, we need to give bracket right here, and then last one is plt dot plot. Okay, now as we are working in collab right now, so uh, plt dot show is not necessary in collab, but other than collab, if you are working in any other environment, you need this particular thing, and without that you cannot work in that. Right here I have given the incorrect spelling of line space, so this one, and x comma y. Okay, so this is what I am getting right here. Now to improve it, what you can do is you can add few things to this. Okay, you can add few things to this, and make it more beautiful in nature. Okay, so what I am doing right here is I am adding grid, I am adding the title, I am adding the x-axis and y-axis value, and this is looking like this. Now, one more example of line plot is, suppose I am taking x is equal to, let me copy the same thing, and let it be like this. Yes, now in place of np, okay, in place of np, what we are taking right here is we are taking values. Okay, we are taking values 10 comma 20 comma 30 40 50 60 70 80, and same values for y-axis. Okay, same values for y-axis. So it will look like this, a straight line. Okay, one straight line which is generated by my constant values. Okay, with the help of my values. Now the next one is bar chart. So where we are going to create, so right here I am taking category. Okay, I am taking categories is equal to square bracket capital A, capital B, capital C, and I'm taking values is equal to 10, 15, 10, 15, 7, 12, and then my plt dot figure, and the second one is I want to draw it. Okay, so I will say plt dot bar and then this one. So this will be look like this. Okay, my bar plot is like this. So this is one of the beautiful thing right here. Now right here you have taken plt dot bar. When you come to in the case of horizontal, it will become bar dot bar h. Okay, it will become bar h. So we are taking the same values. Okay, we are taking the same values. Only difference is plt dot bar h. Okay, only difference is plt dot bar h, and value is my same values. Okay, categories and values, and color is equal to orange. Okay, you can take any color according to your choice. Plt dot this one, plt dot title, and title is horizontal horizontal bar chart, and plt dot show. Okay, so this is my horizontal one. Okay, this is my horizontal one. So you can play with this according to your this requirement. Now next one is scatter chart. Scatter plot is used a lot when you are working in different situations, specifically in case of machine learning. So random dot randint, random dot rand, then my value is 100 right here, value is 100. Second one is y is equal to np dot random dot rand 100. What you are doing right here is you are changing the color based on that. Okay, so np dot random dot rand 100, and size also is changing according to, so size is also dynamic in nature, changing according to the values. So np dot random. Okay, all done. So now let's plot the, let us plot this one. So it will look like, colors. Yeah. So this is my scatter plot. So this is beautiful scatter plot which is changing colors, and each bubble has a different color. No common color right here because color itself is randomly getting generated. Right here, size is also different for all this one, all bubbles, and x and y value is also coming randomly. This is my this one. So now next one is my histogram. So histogram is one of the common requirement right there. So data is equal to data is equal to, so what you have right here, np dot random dot random, and my value and what we are doing right here is plt dot figure, plt dot figure, and next one is plt dot hist. For histogram we use hist right here, and values. What are the values? So first value is data, second value is bin. Bin means width. Bin means width of your bar. Then color is equal to, suppose, green, and next one is edge color is equal to black. Edge color is equal to black. What we are doing right here is plt dot draw, sorry, plt dot title. So what is title? Title is histogram. Histogram. And next one is plt dot show. Okay, so here we goes. Bin is 30. So it is bins, not bin. Okay. So it is looking like this. Okay, boundary color is coming from edge color. Okay, boundary is coming from this one, and you can change the edge according to your requirement, bin size according to your requirement, and based on that you will get the output. Now you have pie chart. So pie chart, first one is labels. So you have language like Python, then you have Java, then C++, and let it be Ruby, and then second value is size is equal to what you have size right here. So 215, then 130, then 145 or 245, and next one is, let it be Ruby be 210. Okay, and then there is something called as explode. Okay, there is something called as explode. So explode means you will explode your value. Okay, so 0.1 will explode Python, and remaining will look like same. Remaining will be like same, no changes in that. And then we will draw this value. Okay, we will draw this value. So it will look like this. Okay, it will look like this. So what we are doing right here is size. So 215, 130, 41, 245, and 210. And then based on that, now right here, if you have seen explode. So what is explode? Python is exploded outside 1.5. Suppose I will make it one like this. So it will explode more. Okay, suppose it will be 9 point this one, so it will explode like this. So this is the decent one. So it is like that. Title, pie chart, axis equal, and like that. So this is my pie chart. Okay, this is my pie chart. Then we have something called as box plot. Box plot is again, box plot is one of the important visualization which is required in uh, your case of machine learning, and random dot normal, then your value 0 comma std, comma 100. Then for std in range 1 comma 4. Okay, so this is my first one, and then I have figure and sorry, plt dot figure. Next one is box plot, so plt dot box plot, and this one is where I'm passing data to it, and then title and ticks. Okay, title and x ticks. So this is how my box plot will look like. Okay, this is range. Okay, this is range where you are plotting the values. Represents range. Box represents range where you have these values to be. So this is my box plot, and box plot is used a lot when you will be working on different type of requirements. So you will find it very helpful. Then you have area plot where we are taking x is equal to range and 1 comma 6, and then y1 is equal to my values 1 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10, and the second value, that is y2 2 comma 2 2 comma 2 7 comma 10 comma 12. Okay, these are my values, and then what I'm doing is I'm plotting my output. So this will be my value. So my x range will generate few values. Okay, this is my x value 1 to 5, and then these are two different lines generated right here. One is gray in color and one is blue in color, like that. Then you have something called as heat map. Okay, heat map again is very useful, too much in use. So matrix is equal to np dot random dot rand and value 10 comma 10 dot figure value, and then my heat map, that is mshow. Okay, so it will generate a heat map. Okay, so this is how I am generating the value. Plt dot immap, imshow, and matrix, then colors and interpolation. Okay, next one is multi-line in one plot. Okay, so how exactly it will work? It will take values. Okay, it will take values sine x, and it will take sin x cos x values, and then based on that, line style is hyphen, and title label this one. Then you have legend right here which will display the value, and here we goes. So we have this type of output in this. So one is sine and second is cos. Okay, one is sine, one is cos, and my x-axis is getting generated by line space. Okay, x-axis is generated by line space, and due to which I am getting the value, and I am getting the x-axis and y-axis value from this. Okay, so this is how my map will plot will look like. Okay, so in this particular way we have completed all the maps. So please do subscribe, like, subscribe, share and comment on this particular video, and we will keep on coming with different uh, videos with respect to Python, data science, data analysis, data analytics, and generative AI, and keep on increasing the knowledge of students. Thank you very much.